everybody, Gina DeLuca here. My face, can you believe it? Yes, I don't like showing my face on the YouTube, just on the internet in general. You won't find me posting a lot of selfies. It's not my bag. However, I have some very big announcements to make, and better to do it face to face, right? So the first announcement is that I will be teaching at the Fluid Art Experience in April in Seattle. It is April 27th to 29th, and I will be showing you all of the tricks of how to get cells without using silicone. So we will be doing a straight pour, and we'll be doing a cloud pour, and we'll be learning how to mix that. Oh, Satchmo, get down. He's trying to climb on the table where there's wet paint. Oh, Satchmo. He's always got to make an appearance, doesn't he? So yes, I'll be showing you a straight pour and a cloud pour, and how to mix those specifically, and how to get the best results, and basically how to get rid of silicone forever, if that's what you want. I don't like using the silicone, so that's why straight pours are my favorite. If you would like to book a class with me at the Fluid Art Experience, go to fluidartexperience.com and you can book the class there, and there are lots of other classes by lots of other fantastic artists where you can learn all kinds of stuff, lots of different techniques. Everybody has their specialty, and you know, the Massey boys are bringing you the best of the best, so do check that out. The second big announcement that I have is my Patreon. My Patreon is up, yay! It is a little light on content, but there is lots of content coming at you on there, stuff that you won't see here on YouTube, and most particularly my face. But what we'll be doing is there are 4 different tiers, and each tier has its own benefits. The benefits that you will be getting as a Patreon, or as a patron, as a Patreon. There are sneak peeks, there's exclusive pictorial content, you will get a glimpse of the paintings that are going to be going on YouTube before they ever get to YouTube. You will get early access to some of the videos that go on YouTube. There will be a private Facebook group. So yes, I have Go Make Some Art. It is an amazing group, but there are 60,000 people on there, and I cannot possibly keep up with all of the content on there. I can't comment on everyone's posts. I would never get anything done. So I will be having a private Facebook group just for the patrons. I want to build a community. Go Make Some Art is a great community, but it's a huge community. I want to build a more intimate community where we can really get to know each other better. And so there will also be Zooms. I will be having Zooms, Q&A on Zoom, and happy hours / socials where we just get together and chat. I will be doing live streams via Zoom. That way I can hear you. If you have a question, I can focus on the painting, what's happening in my hands, and I don't have to keep looking at comments. You can actually talk to me via Zoom. So you can ask real-time questions. There will also be an occasional musical performance. You know, give you a little concert every now and then. And of course, you know, exclusive content that you won't be seeing on YouTube. And when I do the videos that are high speed, the impressionist pieces, I usually have to do those at high speed, and I have to do the voiceover for those because I am on time constraints a lot of times when I'm doing the premiere trains and such on YouTube. So I will be doing the full length videos of those on Patreon, and they will not be on YouTube. YouTube will only have the high-speed versions of those. So on the Impressionist pieces, you can work right along with me in real time. And the most important part for me is, I think, the Zooms. Being able to see your faces and hear your voices, and to be able to actually speak with you instead of just leaving comments back and forth and I don't know people's faces. And you know, I want to build a tighter community. And another thing that I really want to do with this Patreon is to help people get over the hurdles. You know, it's really difficult to, when you're an artist, to share your work if you don't think that it's, you know, up to snuff. And that's probably just your opinion. There's always going to be somebody who loves it, no matter how much you hate it. That is the nature of art. Some of my least favorite pieces are the ones that sold first at my art shows. You know, you never know what someone is going to love. And so just because it's not your favorite piece doesn't mean it wouldn't be someone else's. But getting over the hurdles, we all suffer from imposter syndrome at some point, and things like that. I really want to help people get over the fear of painting, because I see a lot of folks say that they have all of the supplies, but they're afraid to get started. I want to help people through that stuff. I've been there. I've already been there. I've been through it. I've broken through those hurdles, gotten over them, around them, through them, whatever. And I want to impart some of the knowledge that I have gained over the years, being a musician and an artist, of how to get over basically that inner voice that nags at you and tells you this thing isn't good enough. We're going to work on that. We're going to work on that together, and we're going to work on it with each other. And I really think it's going to be very helpful. And the top tier will have all of those things, but it will also include a 1 hour one-on-one with me, whether it's via Zoom or via phone. That is up to you, depending on what it is that you need specifically. We will figure that out. So I really am looking forward to getting to know you guys, like, on a much better level than seeing you pop up in the chats, which I love and I appreciate, but I want to get to know you. And as a special bonus, the first 5 people who sign up for the platinum level and the diamond level will get a free piece of art from me. So that's 10 people, the first 10 people, or total, the first 5 in the platinum level and the first 5 in the diamond level will get a piece of artwork by yours truly. And yeah, so those are the announcements for today, and I really hope that that I get to see some of y'all on the Patreon. And it's patreon.com/Gina DeLuca. Of course, the links will be in the description box below. And yeah, I think that's it for me for today. I hope to see you in Seattle, and I hope to see you on Patreon. I hope you have a beautiful day. Go make some art.